Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. In today's video, you guys, we are doing a very special video. Today is college move-in day for my youngest daughter. Yes, you guys, so in this video, we are going to do a dorm room clean with me. Alright you guys, here's an overview of my daughter's room, and we're just going to be really focusing on cleaning the room. They did a really good job at pre-cleaning the room, which was really good, but again, I'm just going to go over it and clean it. We're going to do a little decorating. It's not a lot, but we really just going to focus on cleaning the room, okay? So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright you guys, my primary product I'll be using is the Clorox disinfecting wipes for this video. I will be using other products, but we'll start off with the Clorox disinfecting wipes. Alright you guys, as I said before, they did a really good job at pre-cleaning. Look at that wipe. It is not dusty at all. Alright you guys, to clean the inside and the outside of my daughter's dresser drawers, I'm going to be using some Fabuloso. This scent is in lavender, and I also like to dilute just a little bit in water because it does have a powerful scent. Okay, you guys, now that we've cleared everything off our bed, I'm simply going to use the Clorox wipes to wipe down this padding. As you can see, it is somewhat of a plastic material. It's not like your standard mattresses, so I'm just going to use a Clorox wipe to clean it off. Guys, now that we wiped everything down in the room, as you can see, we've already put her comforter on her bed. So now we're just simply unpacking everything, trying to get everything organized. So in the next clips, that's what you'll see us doing. is the final results of my daughter's bathroom. She did an excellent job with her color choices and how she decorated everything. She did purchase everything in her bathroom. She also purchased everything in her bedroom, which you guys will be seeing shortly. So I'd like to thank her and commend her on that. But again, everything turned out really, really good. And up under her bathroom sink, we did not do a whole lot of organizing. We just wanted to make everything extremely functional for her, and as you can see, we did maximize our space. So look at the rest of the decorations and how we did everything in her dorm room, and leave some comments below and let me know what you guys think and what was your favorite part of watching this video. Congratulations to our $25 gift card giveaway winner, Alicia Cole. Alicia, please email me at keepingmylifeinorder@yahoo.com to send me your mailing address so I can send you your $25 gift card.